Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Ashley. Today we're doing a little review on Deva Curl. Deva Curl's blow dryer, which we recently got and we've been using a lot. We love it so much. We got the blow dryer a while back and ever since then we have no regrets. But we'll talk about that a little bit later. And we're also showing you how we do our twist out / braid out. It works for either one. This is a method that we finally feel like we have perfected and that it looks really good. It works. This is also a little tutorial on how to stretch your hair. So this video is kind of a lot of information, but it'll answer a lot of your questions, I believe, because we get some questions about how we stretch our hair. How do we feel about the Deva Curl blow dryer now that we have it? So this video will pretty much answer everything that you guys have been asking. We're trying to just wrap everything up in one video, so this video can just be really like informative. Okay, but before we get started, please subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you here permanently. And if you're already subscribed, thank you for coming back. We really appreciate you guys. We remember like who's who from the comments. We remember faces, we remember usernames. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for commenting. We really appreciate all the love and support that you guys give to us and our channel and our social medias. It's very much appreciated. All right, let's just start the video. I have on my leopard print bonnet right now because under it I have braids. So I wasn't really sure which one would be better for the intro. I figured leopard would be cuter. We really feel like we have this braid out / twist out method down packed enough to show you guys. Like, we've tried it a few times and every time it looks bomb. And this was a problem for us for a while because we wanted to wear our hair out, but we didn't know how to make it look good. Like, it would always shrink up and it would always be up to here and then it'll get poofy, and it's just like, it wasn't a look. I wanted nice, smooth, long curls, and we really didn't know how to do that because our hair would shrink up so much. But we have figured it out. And doing this, we use our Deva Curl blow dryer. About 2 videos ago, we did our updated curly hair routine, and while everything in that video is still updated and we still do that same routine, we have added in this blow dryer instead of the other one that we were using. We've been wanting this for a while and we've been holding off on it because of the price, but we finally just decided to get it. We really wanted it and it's one of the best decisions we've ever made for our hair. Like, it's bomb. Like, it's the perfect blow dryer for curly hair. Even all the attachments that come with it, the hand and this, we use both attachments, and very rarely I would ever need like one of these attachments, but it works really good for stretching the hair, which is what we're going to show you today. And yeah, so this Deva Curl blow dryer, very worth $160. It is up there in price, but I feel like it's worth it. It's one of those things that you buy once and you use forever. A couple people ask us some of the pros and cons we have of this blow dryer. Honestly, pros, it works really well. The different speeds and temperatures are really great. I feel like it does a great job in just keeping the hair, what's the word? Not frizz up. It's for curly hair. Somehow the wind and the air and the blow dryer technology like wraps around each curl as it blows around, which keeps the curls more, you know, together, and it helps them not frizz up. I'm not a scientist. I could only read from what's on the box and on the website, but that's what they say, and I feel like it does a really great job on that. Pros, like, I like everything about this blow dryer. We have used this blow dryer so much. We love it. The only con we have is that the little letters on the button rub off. They rubbed off like as soon as I opened up the box. But it was only for this bottom one, so I don't know why, but yeah, let's get into this video. Let me take this off. Yeah, so this is what we have. We washed our hair yesterday. We did a little deep condition. I've been doing the braids in mine just because I feel like it holds better throughout the night. Angelique has been doing the twist, which is pretty much the same thing. I mean, it pretty much gives like the same look and result. We'll insert a picture of me with the braids and Angelique with the twist. They're both really cute, but I prefer the braids because when I do twists, it never stays and they always unravel, so the braids, you know, are more secure for me. But yeah, so we wash our hair, we put in our shea butter, our oils, our leave-in gel, twist, braid, whatever you feel most comfortable with. It really doesn't matter. The results are both really cute. So after we're done washing our hair, we put in all of our product, then we go ahead and braid it up. The braids do shrink, as you can see. We have some crazy shrinkage. Natural hair people, you know the struggle. And that's so annoying because you work so hard to make your hair long and then it just shrinks up on you. Yeah, but today we're gonna show you how to stretch out your hair so that it could be its real length, so it could stop playing with you. Wait, maybe I should plug in the blow dryer. So I just start off by tying up my hair and just getting one braid. I apply some oil on my hand so that when I'm taking out the braid, my hair doesn't get frizzy. It just adds like a little bit of that. Just adds like, you know, like a little bit of a barrier to the hair in your hands so that it just helps control the frizz when you have product on your hand. Okay, good. So now we have one braid out, and as you can see, it's not that long. It's like here, my hair can be down to here, truthfully, but of course, shrinkage is real. So we're gonna try to stretch this so that my hair can be longer, so that the curls can stretch, so that my hair can look longer. It could be its true length, right? So this is why I really like this attachment. It just does a great job in focusing the air on that particular section. When stretching, it gets really close to the hair, you're able to get to the root, and you're able to stretch it out. So what we do is we hold the hair by the ends, stretch it, and blow dry it. You will see the before and after. And we've tried this with other blow dryers. For some reason, it only really works with this one. I don't know why. This is why I say you should get this blow dryer. I can't really explain it, but for some reason, it only works with this one. I'm gonna do a medium speed. Look at the difference already, and I only got the top half. I haven't even done the bottom half. You see how much longer and stretch that is? And the great part is we still have a curl, so it looks like it was a twist out or a braid out, but we have a length now, and that's what we want. So let's go ahead and put this back on. Perfect. Look at that length. And you remember before I was like up to here? We gave ourselves like 2 or 3 more inches. 2 and 3 more inches that we had, but you would never be able to see it because of shrinkage. But now we've stretched our hair. It still looks like it has curls, but it's stretched. We're gonna go ahead and take another braid. The method to doing this is literally just pulling your hair with one hand and blow drying it with the other hand with this attachment. This attachment is really skinny. It gets to the root. It's like a blowout, except you're not like brushing it out. I just feel like it just does a great job of concentrating the air on that one piece. I love this. And then after this is when you can start like separating the hair, you know, breaking apart the curls so that it can look fuller. Don't we love it? Favorite technique. This isn't hard. If you have somewhere to go the next day and you really want your hair to look cute, you can braid up your hair the night before and do this the morning of. This is what I'm doing every time I wash my hair, but I'm also going to be using this technique if I have somewhere really important to go the next day and I want my hair to look nice. You can do this the night before. You don't have to do this on clean hair all the time. Just make sure you do this on moisturized hair. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish this side of my head and then I'm going to come back to you guys, okay? Okay guys, so this is pretty much it. Like this is the hair all stretched out. It's not really styled yet. Of course, you can do like a side part. I like the middle part look, but I would make it, you know, a little bit more neater. but you can like, you know, do this in different ways. I just wanted to show you guys like how we stretch it. To wrap this all up, I just wanted to say that I really think this blow dryer is worth it. And like, obviously, like, not to sound really like sponsored, because we're definitely not sponsored by Deva Curl, but we really like this blow dryer. It sounds kind of corny, but it's really like made us love our curls, because all before we didn't really know what to do with it. Like, we didn't know how to style it, we didn't know how to make it look good. All before, we never used to blow dry our hair because we just didn't really like the blow dryer like that. Like, it was okay, it dried the hair, but it made our hair frizzy, so we just used to air dry every time we washed our hair. But this blow dryer, like, I'm comfortable with this. I'm using this every single time I wash my hair. It's simple, it does exactly what it needs to do for curls, and this blow dryer is actually curated for curly hair. It's specifically for curly hair, so that just makes me feel really comfortable. But yeah, so yeah, this is our stretched curly hair routine with a twist out or braid out with the Deva Curl blow dryer, which we love so much. You guys, if you're thinking about getting this, get it. Angelique and I have been thinking about getting this blow dryer literally for years and never did because of the price. But it's a one-time purchase. Please follow us on our social medias, Instagrams, everything is linked down below, as well as our blog, ashleyangeliqueblog.com. Thank you guys again for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Bye!